Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, we are going to learn how you can easily log out or sign out of the BingX application using your smartphone. Whether you are trying to switch accounts, using a shared phone, or just taking a break, logging out of your BingX app only takes a minute. First of all, launch open the BingX application on your smartphone and make sure you're inside the home page. From the home screen, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. And then in the expanded menu, you'll see a logout button at the very bottom. Tap on it and click on OK. Soon after you do that, you have successfully logged out or signed out of your BingX account using the BingX application on your smartphone. If you're using a shared device, always log out to protect your funds and personal information. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.